In this section, we will discuss in detail about Ansible Playbook. Playbook is basically a YAML file that contains a set of tasks to be executed on a set of hosts. Here is a sample playbook which is used to install Apache. Optionally, playbooks start with 3 dash and then we specify the name key which is used to describe playbook. So here we have named it install and configure Apache. Next, we will mention host on which we want to run this playbook on. Here, host is web server. Next, we will use become key to get sudo privileges to perform required tasks. Later, we will mention each and every task which are required to configure and install Apache. As you can see here, first task is to install Apache. So we have named the task first, followed by using desired module and required parameters. Here we are using apt module to install Apache, and in parameter we have mentioned package name as Apache 2, and in state mentioned latest as we want to install latest version of Apache. Next task is to configure Apache. For that, we have used copy module to copy configuration file. Parameter used are source and destination, which is used to specify file location. This is how we write and structure tasks in Playbook to get the desired result.